Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a job through Indeed.com as a teenager. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, on your homepage, what you want to do is you want to make sure you enter right here remote. Okay, you want remote jobs that do not require you to be in a certain location, and you want freelancing job. For example, freelance video editor. The reason for this is most full-time jobs require to be at least 18 plus, in some countries 16 plus, right? And let's say video editor freelancer, right? Or video editor voiceover artist, copyright. You make copies of ads, copyright freelancer. You could also be doing graphics design, right? Many different things, social media managers. So here, this job right here, $12 an hour, freelance position, remote. You can see the different skills you would need for this job. And if you want, you can apply now right here. Just have to fill in a quick form, go scroll down, fill in all this information, and then come here and click on submit. And you can find many other such jobs. Really that easy and simple, guys.